Laura Banford, and I'm going to teach you how to make baked penne with sausage. Now we're going to make our ricotta mixture with the ingredients we talked about in the last clip. We're going to start with the egg. We're going to whisk that up. And I'm going to add our whole milk ricotta. It looks delicious, so rich and tasty. Really adds an extra level of creamy cheese to the baked casserole. Add some, this is a combination of Parmesan and Romano. Pull that together with the egg. Actually, we need a little more ricotta. And then we're going to season it. Salt, white pepper this time. It's kind of nice. And nutmeg. And that's our ricotta mixture that's going to go into the baked penne with sausage. When we come back, we're going to actually boil the penne.